Hello guys, good morning everybody. Today now studies the volumetric analysis, titration. I will talking about the practical for class 12 CBSE object. Find out the molarity. Find out the molarity. Find out the molarity and strength of given KMnO4 solution for this purpose. You have provided that m by 30 more salt it is prepared in 150 ml of distilled water. Apparatus and chemical required for this practical. Apparatus and chemical required. Apparatus and chemical required. Burette, beaker, conical flask, burette, pipette, burette stand, pipette stand, test tube stand, funnel, measuring cylinder, glass rod, watch glass, concentration H2SO4, more salt and KMnO4 solution. KMnO4 indicator KMnO4 is a self indicator. KMnO4 is a self indicator. End point colorless to pink color, colorless to pink color. Take to screenshot. Next point, preparation of standard solution of m by 30 more salt. More salt is a primary standard solution. More salt is a primary standard solution. More salt is a primary standard solution. Molecular formula of more salt is a FeSO4 NH4 का whole twice SO4.6H2O and molecular mass of more salt is 392 gram. Equal to 392 gram upon 1000 into m by 30 into 150 ml of distilled water equal to 1.96 gram. Preparation of a standard solution of m by 30 more salt. More salt is a primary standard solution. Molecular formula of more salt is a FeSO4 NH4 का whole twice SO4.6H2O and molecular mass of more salt is 392 gram equal to 392 upon 1000 into m by 30 into 150 equal to 1.96 gram. Observation more salt is a primary standard solution. More salt is a primary standard solution. More salt is a primary standard solution. Hence its solution can be prepared m by 30 to prepare m by 30 more salt. M by 30 more salt. W1 weight of empty watch glass. Weight of empty watch glass equal to W1 equal to 21.7200 gram and weight of watch glass plus weight of more salt. Weight of more salt W2 equal to 23.6800 gram. Take the screenshot. Next one. Weight of more salt. Weight of more salt. W2 minus W1 equal to W2 value 23.6800 gram minus W1 value 21.7200 gram equal to 1.9600 gram. Observation. Ionic equation. Next point, ionic equation. Ionic equation. Titration of standard solution. Titration of standard solution of M by 30 more salt. M by 30 more salt. M by 30 more salt with KMnO4. Titration of standard solution of M by 30 more salt with the KMnO4. F 5 electron plus 8H plus MnO4 minus arrow Mn plus 2 plus 4H2O equal to 1 into 1. Fe plus 2 and readily oxidized to Fe plus 3 ion into 1 electron into 5 moles. Overall reaction MnO4 minus plus 5 Fe plus 2 plus 8H plus ion. Arrow Mn plus 2 plus 5 Fe plus 3 plus 4H2. Overall reaction Fe plus 2 ion readily oxidized to Fe plus 3 ions. Screenshot, take a screenshot. Next point. Next point, observation table. Next point, observation table. Observation table observation table. Observation table. Serial number, volume of standard solution taken in ml. Burette reading initial final volume of used KMnO4 in ml. Concordant reading in ml. Serial number 1, volume of standard solution taken in ml, 20 ml. First reading, take 20 ml. Initial value 0.0 ml. Final value 10.14 ml. Second 20 ml, 0.0 ml initial. Second final 10.7 ml. Third 20 ml, 0.0 ml. Third 10.7 ml. Volume of used KMnO4 solution 10.14 ml, 10.7 ml, 10.7 ml. Concordant reading 10.7 ml. 10.7 ml. Take the screenshot. Next point, calculation. Calculation for this experiment according to an equation. Calculation there are 5 mole of more salt react with 1 mole of KMnO4. React with 1 mole of KMnO4. 5m1v1 equal to 5m1v1 KMnO4 equal to 1 mole of KMnO4. M1 M2 V2 FAS ferrous ammonium sulfate is more salt. M1 equal to M2 V2 upon 5 V1 equal to M2 value M by 30 into V2 value 20 ml into 5 into V1 reading of third concordant reading 10.7 this calculate result 0.0124 gram per mole molarity equal to 0.0124 gram per mole. Strength equal to molarity and molecular mass of KMnO4, molecular weight of KMnO4. Molarity value 0.0124 into molecular weight of KMnO4 158. Calculate 1.96800 gram per mole. Molarity and strength. Result. Next point result. Take the short screen. Next point result. The molarity of KMnO4 equal to 0.0124 gram per mole. The strength, molarity of KMnO4 strength of KMnO4 equal to 1.96800 gram. Result. The molarity of KMnO4 equal to 0.0124 gram. Second point, the strength of KMnO4 1.96800 gram. Okay, student. Thank you for this video. Okay, bye.